You guys, we're gonna try Guinea for the first time.
And I'm not excited at all.
Come. I'm gonna give him this one.
Will we survive it? Will we survive
Come on.
what you did?
I'm gonna put the
you
seed in
press
your
it on
mouth. Yes.
What are you?
I told you, use your teeth and take out the things on the seed. My friend laughing at
But there's nothing to eat.
Of course there's something to eat. There's meat on the seed.
But you tell me not to.
Don't bite it.
So
Just use your teeth and take out the
I can stay like this for 10 minutes.
Hi fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's only me, you guys, it's only me. It's day 2 in JA and I am on my way right now to go and get my mani and my pedicure done. Hey, you guys know that when I reach Jamaica, that's the first thing I always do, because in France, girl, ain't nobody paying for that. And Jamaica, what's better place to get the right proper thing done? I remember in France, I went and got a mani pedi done one time and I'm like, what did y'all do? Nothing. Okay, so I'm going to one of my classmates from high school. She does nail and she does a really good job at it. She's on Premier Plaza, shop number 30. So I'm going to see my girl Shana right now. I'm with my best friend. She's dropping off her son to school. Baby's holding it down with the kiddos at home. It's my first time leaving them with babe. Lord help me, but I know he'll have it down. So I pump enough milk to serve for at least 4 hours until I'll be back. So yeah, that's what's going on right now, and of course I'll take you guys throughout my day and let you guys see what's up. So when I finish doing my mani and my pedi, I'm going back to the house, and then all of us gonna go on the road because I need to go see my other bestie. You guys I may or may not tell you guys that on this trip I'll be attending a wedding. One of my best friends getting married and I'll be in the bridal party, so I'll be here for a lit wedding. Hey, and I'm so excited. However, the wedding is at the end of our trip. The wedding is like today and we're leaving tomorrow, so it's at the end of our trip. So hope I don't put on too much weight for that bridesmaid's dress. And as you guys can hear my voice, I am sick. I got sick when I was in New York and it's clearing up because I bought medicine in New York, which I wouldn't get to do if I was in France, to just buy over-the-counter drug like that. But that's awesome because the DayQuil is helping. And now that I'm talking about it, I realized that I left home and didn't take the medicine for it today, but I have to take it when I get back. Anyway, you guys, I am doing well. Tyler is doing well. Sarah's doing well, baby's doing well, everybody's doing good. I fed her before I left the house, and I gave babe all the instructions, and I have a Jamaican phone that I went and picked up from my sister yesterday, and it was so good seeing the babies yesterday and stuff like that. So we have so much running up and down to do in these streets leading up to the wedding. So today is just day 2 of that. Yesterday I was so tired after I got back from my sister's house. I just knocked out. And since yesterday was holiday, I didn't get to have party. But today, girl, today, that party is happening. And baby's looking forward to party because he tell me, honey, when you're coming back, make sure you bring party. So, I'm gonna be doing that. Anyway, you guys, love you guys. Enjoy all these Jamaican vlogs that are about to come. Love you guys. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and I'll see you guys throughout the day. To give you guys an idea where I am right now, driving past Bob Marley Museum, and I'm gonna visit there before I leave. It's a must. I've never been to Bob Marley Museum. That's crazy. You know, it's crazy how as Jamaicans we have so many places around that we don't visit. Say morning, Shan.
Hi, morning guys.
we it's like we live in the most beautiful island and we don't visit.
So true.
You know, that's why at home babe and I decided that Nice is so pretty. Why not visit it? If so many tourists come here, it must be for a reason, right?
Every weekend an adventure.
Oh yeah, Jamaica is so beautiful, but when you live here, you don't really care about.
Yes, because you say you live here, so you're not gonna really.
Don't it?
Yeah.
Like you will come at some point and you'll never end up visit. And you know when you visit? When you migrate and you come back, that's when you really visit.
So true.
National bakery truck in front of me. You guys, here babe, no honey, make sure you bring back Patty. So hold on, you're not going back to the house before?
Yes, I am going back to the house because I need to go to the gym, and then after the gym then I'll be able to do a few things on the road. But Tony said he wanted croissants.
And where's the bakery?
It's back that way.
Oh, up Ligani Road way?
Sovereign North.
Alright, so what? We're on Constant Spring Road heading towards, okay, let me say Popeyes, so I know me they know. Popeyes right there, so it's the only Popeyes in Jamaica, I think. Don't it?
You know, I'm gonna agree with you.
I think it's the only Popeyes in Jamaica. Is this Popeyes right there? If babe see the bus, babe would have said half a tree. Downtown 7th Avenue Plaza. Burger King is right there. This is Lane Plaza here.
Yeah.
Twin Gates there. Wendy's right there. Tropical Plaza down there, so
no, just find Premiere. That's just a little Premiere.
have dinner or a drink, right?
So if you can go.
You guys, I'm at my nail tech. My girl Shana, say hi.
Hi.
You need to tell them where your shops are.
I'm located in Alpha Tree, shop 30 Little Premier Plaza, and anybody that knows Poppins JA, I'm right beside Poppins JA. So it's shop 30 Little Premier Plaza, lavish, and it's a one-stop shop. We have makeup here, we have lovely stylists, bad stylists, short hair, long hair, wig, everything.
Yes.
So one stop for everything.
Nice.
Yes, guys.
Alright, you guys, nice. And I'm doing pedi and manicure today. So I'm here. The babies are at home with hubby. So I'm running back home as soon as I finish. Actually heading into Mother's Express right now to get me a patty. I'm in Half a Tree. This is where I'm going, inside here. Yay! You guys, so this is what I got in Mother's.
Hi guys, welcome to Jamaica. Yeah. I guess so. We reached Jamaica yesterday. The weather is so hot, especially in comparison to New York. We're sweating all day. Yeah, he feels good to be here. For me, it has been like 2 years. It was 2 years the last time I came here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, babe, she just get used to now. Every year. So it's like home. It's been 2 years for me. It feels good to be here, but in the same time, I would like some relax. Last week was wonderful. Thanks again, my wonderful family-in-laws, my brother-in-law, my sister-in-law. If they're watching me, I don't know. I thank you again. It was a wonderful week, but in the same time, we have to do a lot of things, enjoying. So the time to rest is now. But I don't think I get time to rest because so many things to do. We reached yesterday, we're on the road yesterday already. This morning, babe was on the road and she let me home. She let me rest with the kids home, but now she back and guess what? Another thing on the road. So yeah, we're going to see other people. So let's see how the day going to be. I hope you all having a wonderful day. We having a wonderful day. So yeah, it's sunny outside, not rainy. Hopefully it's gonna stay like this. And here is the wonderful girl. Let's see the outfit of the day.
She wearing slippers. And these slippers belongs to Tyler. This slippers was the first slippers we bought for Tyler, and he never got to wear it because this time in France is a little bit chilly, and by the time summer would come around, his foot would be too big for it. So Sarah is on vacation this time when it's just fitting, so she gets to wear it. She wants to sleep.
So then she have a green headband.
Yeah, this outfit is from one of her faves.
Oh.
So she's wearing it for the first time. Say hi, Fizz. Morning. I want to nap. He's like, leave me alone.
Where's Tyler?
Tyler is in the basement, just in play area, and he's in heaven. He has completely abandoned us.
Oh, you want us to
do
do?
so much fun.
Let's see where's Tyler. Here's the secret room. And here is Tyler Heaven Place. Oh, where's Tyler? Oh, Tyler is here. Where's Tyler? Oh, you're here. Yes, Tyler. Oh, not now. We have to get ready. We're soon going to see some aunties. What are you doing? What are you playing? You're playing train? You're playing cars? Is you making a mess? Huh? Is you making a mess? You're playing on the board? Yeah. What you writing? Show me. Did you write all of this? Yeah. What did you write?
The ABC.
Oh, you write ABC?
Yes.
Okay.
And the clock.
A.
Clock.
Okay, it's a clock. Yeah. Oh, wow. You put all of the number around the clock.
Yeah.
Wow. Where's the A? A, B.
B is here.
Okay, C. Okay, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, J. You forget the J? No, I see the J. The J is here. And the K beside. Okay. L. The L is here.
This.
No, on the side, that's the K. Right, L. M.
The
The M is here. This is M. Yes. N O. I see the O is the big one here. P. You made a mess with the ABC.
Q.
You made the ABC on top of the ABC? So you ready to see some aunties? Who are you gonna see?
C. The and. Auntie Lady.
Okay. You excited?
Oui, attendez, va te faire quelque chose. Oh.
Don't do that! Don't do that! Alright guys, I have to stop now.
Yeah, go make Sigrid come hold her before you. The war to who gets her first. See, Ilya got wash hand. The war to who gets her first. The war to who gets her first. The war to who gets her first. Watch them. Press.
Take time on her first. Push it pretty, man. Watch how she push up there. Yes.
Wait. Honey, push this back. Baby, push this back.
Push what?
This.
This back.
I have the next one. Push down that one.
Me text her.
The war to who gets her first. She not cry. She love do that.
Hey.
Hey. Stop it.
I know you should feel
She fever which Ludo? She fever me.
Achoo.
Look, she's smiling at me. She's looking at me and smiling at me.
Sarah, we don't see Elaine.
Hey. She pretty bad. No, not bad with it. Not bad with it. She not bad.
She
Papa.
She not ball. Watch her. She look and Sigrid.
You know, say no, your father. Yeah. Yeah. Sigrid. She don't want to come to you good. Come. This one I'm sign. Extra too much.
You think I know godmother want kiss up yeah?
Yeah.
You think I know? Watch her smile.
What's your
Auntie number 2. Yay. Yes. A week before she 3 months. Oh. See her head banana come down.
You see her head down here?
Exactly. Tyler was the same.
Uncle Tyler here full.
Tyler touching Elaine dogs. Tyler touch. Touch. Yeah. Tyler touch him. Why? No, back up, you're gonna cry. No big brother. No big brother. We're gonna try Guinea for the first time.
And I'm not excited at all.
Come. I'm gonna give him this one.
Will we survive it? Will we survive it?
Come on.
What you did?
I'm gonna put the
you
seed in your
pass it on
mouth. Yes.
What are you?
I told you. Use your teeth and take out the things off the seed. My friend laughing at
But there's nothing to eat.
Of course there's something to eat. There's meat on the seed.
Yeah, but you tell me not to.
Don't bite it.
So
Just use your teeth and take out the
I can stay like this for 10 minutes.
yeah. But you say you can do like that for 10 minutes trying to take off what's on the seed? He's a madman. Who was eating pretzel?
What were you so excited about?
Shanice, you were eating pretzel? Or just seed? Okay. Look at me dancing with the seed in his mouth. Shan, what you eating?
Patty.
Hey Shan, your body big, you know?
Don't mistake.
Look at Shan body. Shan body big. Y'all think my ass big? Look at my friend's ass.
Patty. Jamaican girl.
Big body girl.
Yes.
No injections.
Natural. All natural.
Spit it in my hand, no? Maybe. Ah. Oi, Shan, come look how well him take it off. Better than me, look.
Let me see it. Oh
In
my
green
God.
it.
That's
Like
all.
a whistle.
Look at mine.
Yeah, you're Wested. You're West the Guinep. Mama, West the Guinep.
Babe did better than I did.
And
Them Shani La Patty, they smell
who is the
good.
champ?
So
Who is
good.
the
And I
champ
put
of the
cheese in
Guinep?
it.
Who is
Huh?
the
I
Guinep
put
champ?
cheese in it.
Extra cheese? Oh, it's the beef
Look.
patty.
No, it's a beef patty and I put cheese in it.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
Looks so good. Land of patty.
Yeah.
Land of patty. Land of patty.
Not that patty.
Land of patty. You guys, and we have come to the end of yet another Jamaican vlog. I'm just gonna left it right here. I'm up here editing. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new to our channel, and make sure that you guys attend our meet and greet this Saturday, the 26th of October at Delaveaus from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Catch and keep up. Love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.